Head's gonna fall right off my shoulder.
Looks like an old. What do you think that? You guys ever heard of American pickers? Well, this is freaking John the Picker at an old farmhouse today that's over 100 years old, boys. Check this freaking place out. Massive. What? This place is huge. There's like 20 freaking rooms in there. We're gonna go check out these vehicles back here, make a video on everything. It's gonna be awesome. That old Firebird. What? We're gonna go check this old Ford out. People love this old buried equipment. There's a bunch of it over there. We're gonna get a good shot of it today. There's a picture in the house where it still has the back end of it. Looks like it was cut off right there. What? We'll find some old money in here. I was trying to get the mileage, but I don't think that's possible. Still got the transmission. No clue. Alright, I'm going to stop for a second, take a few pictures, and then we're going to go on to the next piece of equipment, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, picture taking is done. You check the old headlights out. Ford. Those go for some good money on eBay. Those old headlights. What? Check the front of the trans. I got a great idea after I get done taping all this stuff. Then we're gonna go back here, check this place out. Check that equipment out here in a minute. It's kind of like American Pickers, but better, folks. We're at a 100-year-old farm that ain't been touched, as you can tell. What? Look at that old wheel. Alright, we continue our journey. I just got done taking some pictures of that wheel. An old piece of farm equipment buried there. There's another one. What? That is awesome. Holy shit, there's more stuff around here than I thought, folks. That looks like the other half of that truck. Maybe. What's that? These old barns just collapsed not very long ago. That is awesome. What? Fucking sweet. Motor's still in there. GM. That is crazy. Imagine it's still got the transmission. How do you get the fucking door open, eh, boys? Don't think the door opens today. Beehive. No wonder why the girl was getting stung by bees when she was sitting in here, boys. What? This is so cool. That might be the old truck that was sitting in the picture. Awesome. Freaking awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Sucks that the barn's sitting on it. Don't want to step on no nails today. Exploring with John the Picker. What's this? Some kind of old piece of farm equipment. Look at that, eh? There's another car over there we're gonna go check out. I'm gonna stop the camera, take some pictures of that old beast. How old those are, eh? Vintage. Friggin' vintage. Get one more last look on the inside. Tore up from the flow up. Big ass hole. People love these old vehicles. I'm happy just to be taping these beasts. It's friggin' awesome. And we're gonna go up here and check this one out. What? There's more? Friggin' more? This is an old ass Ford. Ken Block will love this. Old rat rod looking thing. What? That's cool. No license plate. Old ass bumper. Old windows. What? Thing's so buried in there, American Pickers couldn't get that out, folks. Holy shit. What's that? A carburetor? Jeez. That's crazy. This old building's tripping me out, folks. What? That old hubcap? Probably something living up in here. I'm kind of nervous, boys. Buick. Off an old Buick. Yeah, a little fan. Air conditioning. This is cool, man. I want to see what's in the trunk. Okay. Not good. I gotta get around to the front of this beast and uncover some crap. Figure it out here today. Never know what we're gonna find. What? Spotlights and everything. I'm gonna dig some of this crap out of here real quick, folks. Oh, it's an old radiator. That's insane. Told you the motor for that vehicle was sitting around here somewhere, didn't I? What? Pennzoil. That's nuts. Look at that, eh? Old hand pump. Let's check out this old vintage shoe. It's crazy. That's an old ass motor right there, folks. What? What's this? Starter. Who knows today? Let's check over here. Snowmobile parts. Like an old tool area. Old brawler. What? Look at that thing. Gotta get up in there, folks. I seen some shit. Seen some shit. Tire. Old TV. I want to see what that is, actually. We're gonna see what that old TV is today, folks. Could be the end of John Picker, folks. Exploring for you. Another engine. That's crazy. Wow. This is cool. It's the oldest TV I've seen yet. What kind of freaking TV is that? So I want to know. Fan. The inside of that TV, this is all metal. The whole case. All metal. Maybe the oldest TVs on YouTube right here, folks. I'm gonna get this out real quick. Check this old TV, folks. Made out of all metal. What? Never seen a TV made out of metal before. This one seems to be. So is this one. That is awesome. Look at all the scrappies in that beast, boys. What? Those are the oldest TVs I've ever seen. Oldest TVs I've seen so far, folks. Good video of them. That is awesome. And this one I don't want to move because I think it's holding this whole barn up, boys. What? I have no clue what that is. There's all kinds of random shit here. Looks like the same kind almost. That's cool. All metal TV. Feel like I just dropped back into the 40s with that thing. These growlers. What? All kinds of cool stuff in here, ladies and gentlemen. Old shoes even. What? I gotta find my way up out of here. Through here maybe. A couple engines. Look at these old walls. That's awesome. That's where they used to keep people chained up back in the medieval days. Their horses. Probably. What's that? A big ass electric motor? Looks like it. I gotta get out of here, folks. Holy shit. And that's where I was, right up in there. What? This is awesome. That old carburetor, whatever it is, got glass in it. That's freaking awesome. Awesome. It's an old headlight. Set that up there. Alright, now to continue my journey. Oh yeah, I was gonna go tape the front of this car. Piece of farm equipment. I had a good idea for all that farm equipment. I'll show you that when I'm done. I have to go back around here. Mechanics love that shit, boys. I'm gonna try to slide this big ass piece off there. See if we can get a good picture of that car today. What is that? Some kind of old piece of farm equipment. Beat right up. Alright, I'm gonna pull some of this wood off with a quickness. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm satisfied with that. Dug that freaking beast out. Took forever. Freaking hood ain't opening. Son of a bitch. This old Ford outlet's got a bullet hole. Right in the freaking windshield. It's got spotlights on it. So it could have been used to be a cop car, who knows? Took me forever. I had to dig it out, folks. Get a quick shot of all the farm equipment before I go tape the friggin' car. I wanted to figure out who made that. Probably old John Deere. Probably Johnny Deere. That's pretty cool. They don't make them like that. Look at the gears in that beast. What? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm running out of battery time. I uncovered this Ford car here. Got all the shingles off of it and shit. We're gonna check that beast out. V8 Ford. This thing is awesome. What? Looks like an old cop car. Bullet holes in the windshield. You gotta be kidding me. That's awesome. See what's under the hood, boys. She built or bought? Looks like she's bought, boys. The old radiator in that beast. That's freaking insane. The horns. There's your horns. I bet them things make some pretty cool noises. Shots out to all the motor heads out there. We love that kind. The old Ford, boys. We're gonna walk around this way. I already shot the inside, but we'll get another view. Get another view of the inside. I love this car. This is cool. That turns your spotlight. Fan, they used this car for something. Had to have been. Had to have been, folks. Look at this seat. Cool if there's some monies. Some old time monies, an old hundo. That's what I want to find. Hang in the glove box. Nope. Close the door. Alright, we're gonna go continue on the journey here. Go over here. Check out this farm equipment. Got a fucking sliver in my finger. Ouch. Look at how it's buried. That is awesome. Taking a picture. Alright, we got the picture. There's the vehicles we just taped. We're gonna go over here. Piece of farm equipment. The big ass silos. What? I heard there's a cool ass scooter around here too. Still haven't found that yet. I guess it's in one of the barns. Who knows what this thing is? I thought that was a friggin' cat, folks. Holy shit. That's awesome, dude. What? Silo time, ladies and gentlemen. These are probably the oldest silos out here. All cement. They don't make them like that anymore. They do not make them like that. Metal on top nowadays, folks. This is the barn. What the fuck is that? Awesome. What? There's old metal shit everywhere around here. This could fall at any time. Look. No joke, risking my life right now, ladies and gentlemen, for a YouTube video. Nobody's been in this barn in years. Friggin' years. If they did, they didn't take nothing. What? I feel like I'm living in an apocalypse zone right now. Look at that. What? We're in it, folks. There's friggin' trees growing right up in here. Awesome. I gotta hurry up because my camera's dying. I will tape more videos, I guarantee it. Just seen some shit fall. Look at the way they're made. All out of the old rocks probably that came from here. Sweet. YouTube. John Picker. What? Alright. What's that? Old Blackbird? Holy shit, man. Alright, air conditioner. Look at this old Dodge. What? Awesome. Motor still in it. Unbelievable. That's cool. Look at the moss. What? That's crazy, ladies and gentlemen. 2 more old silos. That one's about hit. That one is about hit. We're gonna tape this U-Haul. Look what I found, ladies and gentlemen. A classic U-Haul. What? Thing's vintage. It's like Griswold style U-Haul. Unbelievable. Freaking cool though. That's so awesome. Still got all the stickers. U-Haul radio. Vintage. Bee nest and everything. $29.95. Still got all the shit in there, don't it? What? Vintage. It's pretty cool. Pretty friggin' cool. Old Ford. Let's see if we can get up in here today. She ain't wanting to open. She's frozen, boys. She's a little bit stuck today. We'll go around the other side, see if we can't get a good video of the speedometer. I love my life. Friggin' love my life. I remember these old U-Haul vehicles. Speed kills, slow down and live. What? This thing's probably got a beast motor in there. Make a friggin' 4-wheeling mobile out of this. Or a big ass camper. That'd be cool. What? Hey, now it's just used for storing wood. Storing the woods and metals, boys. Awesome. Friggin' awesome. Let's go check out some more farm equipment. I'm gonna take a picture of this old beast. And we're gonna continue our journey. These old silos. Some more farm equipment. That's what I was gonna show you guys. Show you guys what the silos look like. Look at all the cement work they did out here back in the day. Holy shit. Look at that. Can you imagine? Come on, honey. Let's go make us a trough out of cement. Holy shit. These old farmers really did it. We're like a couple miles away from Heron's Berry Farm, which is one of the biggest berry farms in Michigan. That's where I pick strawberries every year. This is awesome. We love the farmers. They got all kinds of shit to look at. Just random pieces of metal I see sticking up everywhere. There's something buried right there. It's all cement, look. Well, where'd they get all the cement from? Holy shit, man. They're building up for the apocalypse at this place. That's crazy. It's a beautiful house. Beautiful. See how long I can get my camera to record for. Battery's about dead, folks. I need to get I'm going on eBay and buying another one pronto. This shit ain't happening again. I'm John the Picker. I'll be taking pictures and stuff some other time. I can come out here anytime I want, folks. Oh yeah. But in the old barn right here, I'm guessing, with all the cement. It's like an old barn. Old piece. Oh, we ran out of battery, folks. We're charged now. Look at that big ass rock. What? Wonder who put that there. I bet their back's hurting. I bet their back is done. This house is awesome. Look at the rocks. Look at the rocks, folks. Cracked in half just like the house on State Street. That's cool. The deer boys. The freaking deer in the Pickerhood. Where are they? eating? What? All over the place. Check out what John the Picker found, boys. Look at all the freaking deer. What? Busting ass. Ass is up. I don't know what to do. What? Even more deer? It's like an outdoors channel on the Vicker Show. Johnny's here.